We're at Jake Melnicks' Corner Tap, home of Chicago's best wing and arguably one of the hottest wings in this entire galaxy. Are you ready? I'm not. Let's go! Woo! What's up, Chef? Simon, how are you?
How you doing?
Nice to meet you.
Santangelo.
You are the wing master?
I'm the king of wings.
The king of wings, the wing man.
We roast the habanero, so you get the roast and the smoky flavor.
Right.
But now we're gonna get to the ghost pepper. These are from India. This was, a couple years ago, this was ranked as the hottest pepper in the world.
They actually use ghost peppers for pepper spray.
Yeah.
Did you know that?
Yeah, police grade.
Police grade,
pepper
chemical
spray.
weapons, spray in your face,
That's
get
it.
down.
This is the scorpion pepper. These are even hotter than the ghost pepper.
We're gonna roast these habaneros.
We're gonna head to the grill.
Watch your backs, habaneros coming through.
We're grilling them to really want to get a nice char, smoky flavor infused to the sauce. You don't have hair, but you don't want to burn your eyebrows off.
Yeah,
either,
I need these eyebrows. While it's grilling, we could practice some pickup lines. Hey, my wings are hot, but you're even hotter.
Oh, that's nice. I like that. I gotta write that down.
Write that down. This is what we're talking about. Nice and black,
That's it, baby.
grilled, smoky, crossing streams. I like that. It singes your nose hair right away. But you know what's
You're
great?
gonna get me a little bit.
You can actually, the citrus is really coming through. The orange juice is really just.
For sure.
It's a spicy orange juice. Mucho caliente.
Oh, look at it.
Oh, look at that.
Get in there. There you
Oh.
go. Look at that. Perfect.
You feel like such a man.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah. I can feel the testosterone, you know?
I think it's ready. Look at that.
Oh, nice.
Woo!
Fun?
Yeah, you want to lick it? Have you ever licked this before? Come on.
No, I haven't.
Join me. Oh, God.
Oh, God. Why did I do that?
I don't know why, but I loved it. Oh, man. I'm going in. They've given us the quitter bell. When you're done, you've had it, you can't take it anymore, you want to go home, crawl under the pillows, and just get in the fetal position and cry. That's what this bell is for. I think Tony's going to be ringing this bell before me.
I think that's a challenge right there.
I'm too legit to quit. Bring it on, let's go! Woo-hoo! I made that sauce, I can barely even take it. The Triple X wing, hottest wing in the universe.
I don't know if I'm ready for this.
I'm ready for this either. It's gonna get sloppy. I'm scared. I'm very scared. But there's only one thing left to do. Let's get it on. Oh my God. Look at him. Look at him. You about to ring that bell. It's right here. The bell is right here. Tony, ring it anytime. It is really unbearable.
You're not finger licking now, are you?
It kind of attacks you like, it gets worse. It's like, I love you and I hate you at the same time. Help! Look at my face. Have you ever seen a face melt on camera before? That's what's happening, and like, it's literally the room is spinning. I can't even talk. I've had it. Let's look at my heart rate. 117 beats per minute. Am I making snot bubbles?
There are endorphins that are coming though.
Yeah.
There are endorphins.
I feel like I can lift a truck.
I call it the moment of clarity. Really, things that kind of make sense
It's
after
like,
I eat these wings.
yeah, your life flashes before your eyes.
Yep.
So we got orange, some bread,
Yep.
some milk, some ice cream.
Ice cream will cool it down. I like the orange though.
Oh yeah. You thought the citric acid would enhance the spice, but it actually takes it away. I'll go with the bread. It's like a sponge for my hotness. I'll take a sip of the milk. Give me love. I need love.
Good times. Oh, brother.
I'm dying.
I got sauce all over my hands.
I didn't hit the wall of flame. I hit the wall of shame.
Oh, shame. Yes.
But
we haven't added that to the website yet.
you should, because I would be your MVP.
There we go.
Wow. Jake Melnicks, Corner Tap. You guys are amazing, and I salute you.
Thanks for coming out, man.